Is your SQLite project apps broken by the SQLite 386 Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Before we begin the walkthrough for SQLite 386 Library, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the SQLite 386 Library, the 32-bit implementation of the SQLite database engine. It is required by legacy 32-bit browsers and industrial tools to manage local data stores. Missing this file results in the parent 32-bit application crashing immediately upon login, as the settings database cannot be opened. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. The presence of SQLite 386 Library DLL is mandatory for SQLite Project to initialize the engine, and a full reinstallation of your main application suite, with the error, will resolve the error by deploying a fresh copy of the library. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the SQLite 386 library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the Diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Please use caution. Replacing SQLite 386 Library DLL manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. For users interested in automation concepts, the maintenance and repair kit linked below provides background information on managing SQLite 386 Library. If your workstation is back online and SQLite 386 Library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.